Hello everyone, Blasphimous here, and welcome back to Blasphimous 2. Some things are going on here. I'm not sure what exactly happened. I had no guilt, but I was asked to repent anyway. Ew.
A new flower on my mantle. It is yours. I feel the guilt flow into me on the wings of frigid tremors, and my spirit seems numb, submissive. I will continue to serve thee as my purpose dictates. Penitent one, I will free. Penitent one,
I'm not gonna lie, buddy, I feel genuinely bad for you. So, this is where I'm supposed to be. But nothing happened! There was no scream. Okay, I wandered, lost in despair, through the first place in which air seemed to not move. Eventually, I stumbled across an old bell lying. I know what you're talking about. I know what he's talking about. You're talking about this bell. I've been wondering what I was supposed to do with it. And there's a secret here. Oh yeah, in case you haven't noticed, this weapon has gotten stronger. Probably to use my thorn attacks now. I don't know how I got them, but maybe they have to do with the lumps of gold. Okay, now what do I do? Saw an old bell lying broken on the ground next to one of the many walls I had encountered on my travels. Walls that threatened there would be no way out of this place. My stick dealt the many a blow. I don't know how it happened, but these dull sounds that once would have been music to my ears suddenly made me feel more awake, more alive and attentive, and I was able to discern a passageway behind the shadow of the bell. Ah! Oh god, not another one! Okay. The decrepit and gnarled man then looked up from the ground and blurted out, "If once thou hast passed beneath this skull, a flesh relic that still scrutinizes all with its last living eye, like a grim cyclops, thou must do so twice more." What? Okay, just a moment. What the hell are you talking about? Oh! That's right. Yeah, I looked up a walkthrough for this because I was in the wrong place. That's right. So I have to go back where I just were in the city. Might be faster if I go this way. I'm supposed to do what here now? I'm supposed to walk by 3 times? I didn't walk 3 times. Alright. Wrong button. Okay. My redemption. My forgiveness. All is useless. The pilgrimage without end no longer matters. The sacrifice, the prayers, the supplications are of no account. Now I understand. The miracle will not listen to one such as I, for I am nothing. If I cannot obtain forgiveness, then only death awaits me. The one that lies at the bottom of this towering cliff. Curse will soon be over, or nothing of my being will remain. The cool sea breeze. Cool sea breeze. I think I know where I have to go without even looking. It's here, isn't it? Yep. Okay, what does that do? Did I get something? The what is the who and my what? Hold to the pass of the top. Oh, oh, yes, please. Well, I'm certainly happy with that. Oh yeah, there was a woman that... Unfinished lullaby. Should I give it to the woman now? Because I haven't found any more. All that's left is the final boss. I'm gonna give it to her, well, try to give it to her and see what happens. Assuming anything happens... Is the last piece of the lullaby really all the way up there? Or maybe it's there? Seems possible. I mean, possible enough. No harm in a look. Up here. Hi, buddy. I almost found all your brothers. I'm missing 2. I think.
Help us by freeing more brothers.
Yep, just 2. I guess they would have to be at the very top there, wouldn't they? I mean, it's still a climb. Plenty of space to put 2. Along with an unfinished lullaby, and hopefully, that last gold lump. Though I cannot help but wonder. Wait, what? Come on, don't tease me like that. That's not cool. Whoa, what are you doing? Well, we're back here. Whoa! The father said the 4 envoys wrapped my body. Oh yeah, there were 2 idols that had like gold cloths on them, and I only have... There's supposed to be 4, then I'm missing half. You?
The highest above the child is born. Cast your eyes upon our shop window.
I need 20,000?
Until our...
Dude, you better fucking stay there. Prisoner still has nothing for me. Oh, come on! You should not be here. You can do it. You know what? I welcome you. It's over here. What is that? Well, I guess I kind of need that in order to... The last thing that guy has in his wares. Well, it's not like it's useless. You cannot just wait there. Come on, man. Oops, I forgot to change that spell. Really? Come the hell on. You did not have to make me do that. there. Okay. There's something? No, I didn't. Hi. What are these thorns? Are they thorns? Are these just quicker alternatives to get up? I haven't seen any more of those kids. I forgot you could do that. I definitely forgot that you could do that. Not much land left to cover. Ow. Jerk! Oh, I thought there might have been something down there. Well, there was. But it was death. Look at that body, it's huge! Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, why not? We can get the last one.
Blessed are feast your... We have no more prey.
No, prisoners still got nothing. Wonder why. We'll figure something out, I'm sure. Wait. Oh, shit, am I already here? No, I'm not. What's going on here? Something's fishy. Oh wait, there's one more of these pennant guys, isn't there? The last one. Oh, and there's you.
This waiting. This endless waiting has been my penance.
Sorry. Didn't mean to take so long.
The original penance. As old as the miracle itself.
No, it isn't.
It appointed me first among penitents. Perpetual by its grace. Perpetual in awaiting you an eternity.
Okay. Can we get...
My miracle. Heed my prayer. Grant me thine blessing to fulfill thine holy command.
I think your holy command is to die.
Dress my body in wounds. Lacerate the tattered parchment that clothes my flesh.
What are you
For
talking about?
I am the first penitent, and you shall be the last.
I'm the... That's not even close to true. Maybe he doesn't know that I'm from a long dead... Seen that trick. Never seen that one before. This is disappointing, man. Come on, put your back into this fight. I don't even need to heal myself. Oh, here we go. Oh no, don't take that. No, don't take that.
Now let the crimson bindings finish what they once began.
Well, I'm scared.
My penance is far from over.
Whoa, what are you doing? Holy shit, dude. How did I dodge that? Couldn't block it, should've known. Okay, the good news is, I can predict some of his attacks. But am I gonna be good at it enough to survive it? Well, I'm doing good so far.
Paternity.
No! Nice! That was too slow. Okay, that was cool. It was absolutely terrible, but I liked it anyway. I can afford to be careless. I mean, look how good I've done. I mean, I think the only reason that was easy is because I was able to adapt. Somehow. Wait a minute. That's not... That's the Crimson Blade! Pull the sword out of him. No, too late. Oh, fuck, he's got a Nimbus. He's got a Nimbus. We're screwed. With the what? That weapon was just wrappings this whole time? What the fuck is going on? What? Oh.
The child is born.
Yeah, I kind of noticed that.
The clouds open up before thee and shed crimson tears. Thus begins the work of the High Dramatist.
The what? So, why don't I save first and replenish my vials? And then I'll go deal with that, okay? Okay. Okay. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm talking about. You understand. I haven't quite done everything yet, though. And we all know how this game, well, like the last one, had alternative endings. I expect this to be the same. This is gonna be the bad ending, isn't it? Why is there still a heart beating? Oh, that's why. That's not where the heart's supposed to be.
Higher will. Incorporeal and inscrutable fathers. I am the heir of your all-encompassing light. Devotion itself, embodied in weathered flesh and gilded filigree. Your magnum opus. Though I am crowned with your glory, why do you censure my presence alongside you? What is this obscure darkness of unanswered cries that prevents me from understanding the purpose of my birth? Are the same crimson clouds that heralded my welcome the grave omen of your judgment? If this confrontation is proof of thy dignity of your glory, then so be it.
Hi. This is not an impressive fight. But then again, he was just born. So I guess it makes sense that he's not tough. I mean, what experience does he have? Am I right? Well, his spells are actually quite powerful if you don't pay attention. You cannot do multiple things at once. That's not okay. Stop it! I said stop it! Oh, this again. Ow! Ow! You don't get credit for that, I'm just being careless. Is there a reason you're still alive? Come on. Ah! Okay, so this has to be the bad ending, right? Where are you going? Where are you going? Was mea culpa too much for you? Why are you suddenly tiny?
Now I understand. And for this, I offer thee my humble thanks. This pain is my baptismal sacrament that will unite us in communion to make it flesh. Thus, we will be reborn as a new symbol incarnate, overflowing with devotion.
Oh.
The beginning of a new era for the miracle. The second son.
Well, that can't be good. That can't be good at all. Maybe I have to replay this again, like last time. Can't skip this, but there's gotta be something at the end, right? Alright, I gotta hold it. There was nothing at the end? Alright. Does that prisoner have anything new now that I have beaten? No? Okay. But you can do something for me. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but it must be sick as hell.
I am
Crescenta.
I have carved a new figure. May the miracle.
No, he still has nothing for me. And I haven't completed that lullaby either. Ooh. Wait a minute. Ooh. Alright, I like that. Huh. Lightning, miasma, mystical. I don't know. I don't get it. I'm still missing stuff. But I found everything. Look at all the work I did. What am I missing? Ascend? Okay. We're ascending. So is this basically like... Alright, just hang on.
The eternal dawn of our penances heralds its imminent end.
Yeah, we've already done that. Done that. Yep. Come on, get up. Whoa, hold the fuck on. Oh, okay. We're doing it like this, huh? You know what? I'm up for it. I'm up for it. What's this here? The True Torment mode. Several optional challenges are available to you. They will change your penance, increasing in difficulty, and combine them however you like. If you manage to finish the game with several challenges active, you will earn unique rewards that will remain available in your next ascension. Returning the statue at any time will allow you to disable any enabled challenges. However, okay, what are... You will lose and obtain all obtained items, weapons, upgrades from your previous playthrough. Enemies will be more challenging. Failing into chasms and thorns will lead to instant death. Feather and Rosary Bee upgrades will remain locked. Remain? Your health bar will be replaced by life orbs. What? When you die, you will drop a single guilt fragment that will contain half of the Tears of Atonement and experience obtained. Any hit you receive will increase your guilt. In exchange, your attack will be more powerful. Enemies will reappear if you leave and return to their room. In exchange, you will have additional resistance to all elements. Any hit you receive will deplete your fervor bar. In exchange, fervor gains will increase. You already got them. Oh no! I can't. Well, I guess that makes sense. It makes sense. Yeah, I gotta find them again. I should be able to block that! Shame we don't get to see more of you, like your arrival or something, because you look awesome. He does look awesome. Sorry, had to happen. Okay, I'm not gonna go any further with this. I'm gonna figure out what I'm doing wrong. But thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.